Ever noticed how PTZ cameras are great at tracking a target, but in doing so, they lose sight of the bigger picture? You're left with a detailed shot of one person, but left with a massive blind spot where anything else could be happening. Well, say goodbye to the security gaps with the revolutionary SPRO 4MP plus 2x4MP Duo Panoramic IP PTZ camera. Or to save the headache, the Duo PTZ. In this video, we'll dive deep into how the Duo PTZ works, showcasing its innovative features and specifications that make it the ultimate solution for surveillance. The Duo PTZ camera tackles these issues by combining two powerful cameras into a single intelligent unit. It combines a 180-degree panoramic camera with a precision PTZ for a seamless view, eliminating any of those traditional trade-offs. While the panoramic lens keeps an eye on everything, the motorised PTZ allows you to track with incredible detail. Let's look back at this first clip again. With the PTZ by itself, how many of you noticed the black car driving away? Now let's watch the same scenario with the Duo PTZ. It's clear to see that the camera doesn't miss a thing. This can be applied to countless commercial, business, and even domestic uses. Now, let's get into the technology that's packed into the Duo PTZ camera. As there are two intelligent cameras in this unit, this takes up two channels on your recorder. One channel for the Duo, and one channel for the PTZ. Both cameras have Starlight and ColourNight 2.0, while the PTZ has active deterrence as well, meaning exceptional low-light imagery, motion-activated white lights, and upon crossing a threshold, red and blue flashing lights accompanied by either a siren, pre-recorded message, or two-way audio. The cameras also include Smart Motion Detection 4.0, Human and Vehicle Classification, Perimeter Protection, Face Detection, and Alarm Tracking on humans. Both cameras have a white light distance of up to 30 meters. The Panoramic also has an IR distance of up to 30 meters, but on the PTZ this extends up to 70. On the Duo camera, you get two crisp 4MP images stitched together to create a 180-degree view. The PTZ camera also delivers a sharp 4MP image at 25 frames per second, but it also allows a 345-degree pan rotation and a 10x zoom. Save up to 300 presets to instantly jump to an important monitoring point with just a single click. Powering this tank can be done either by a DC 12V 3A power supply or via PoE+, and is IP66 waterproof. So there you go, the SPRO 4MP plus 2x4MP Duo Panoramic IP PTZ camera. It isn't just another CCTV camera, it's an upgrade to what you can achieve with surveillance. If you're looking to take your security to the next level, to gain the bigger picture and the fine detail, the Duo PTZ is the answer. To find out more about this camera and its full capabilities, visit www.SPROCCTV.com. And don't forget to like and subscribe to stay up to date with the latest information in security technology.